Hey Canvonauts, Jose here. Today I'm going to show you some energizing exercises. So exercise snippets or snacks as we call them, because they're really short breaks, 15 minutes long. We're going to do 5 different exercises. Now remember, these are mobility exercises, flexibility, and maybe some strength exercises as well. But again, they're snack size, so it's not going to be that hard. 5 exercises, 3 rounds equals 15 minutes. Let's get started. First exercise, when you're on your notebook a lot or your laptop, it's in the other room, so just pretend I'm having a laptop here. You're rounded a lot, right? You're curling in a lot, you're kind of rounding that spine, so we want to reset that. We're going to do a thoracic extension spine. So thoracic spine is basically from around here to here, but obviously the spine's back there. All right, I just can't reach that side. So what we're going to do is extend it, right? If you're on the chair that has some rollers, perfect, or wheels. If not, then you're just going to have to lift and lower. From there, you're going to put your elbows on the table. And then you're going to drop down and extend, okay? So this extends your thoracic spine. Now, if you don't really feel that, then you sit at the edge of the chair. Do it all over again. Extend. If you want, you can reach forward as well. Try to get as low as you can. Alright, you shouldn't feel sharp pain anywhere. I'm going to show you with another angle because it's kind of tight here anyway. So down, reach forward. Then you can also bring your hand up and back to the side. There you go. Obviously it's kind of tight here, but as much as you can, the further back you are, the better it is. Next exercise, again, with your hands in front, we want to reverse that movement, so we're going to have our hand behind. If this is too hard, too tight for you, then just do one arm at a time. So pulling your shoulders back as far as you can, squeezing the shoulder blades together, keeping your lower back in good posture, don't round like so, because then you're not stretching anything. Make sure you're in proper alignment, all right? From there, if you can, reach back. Ooh, that's tight. Even more. Woo, I feel that. But it's really energizing because you're opening up the chest again. Again, when you're on the laptop, you kind of round the chest, so you want to reverse that. Again, if you can't do with both arms, you can definitely do with one arm at a time. Twisting to one side. I feel it all the way through here. I'm just going to do the other side just so you see it. So here, and twisting that way. As far as you can even push it over with that hand. Alright, if you're doing one side at a time, then it's 30 seconds on each side. If you're doing both hands, then try to go for 1 minute. Woo! See, that's really tight. Next stretch is, it's an exercise this time. We want to reverse that forward head lean. So what we're going to do is, as much as you can, push the crown of your head against the wall. And imagine trying to do a triple chin here. As ugly as you can. So drive the chin towards the base or the top of the spine. So you can see I'm kind of leaning forward, so the more you step forward, the more you work your neck muscles, okay? Hold this up to a minute, so if you want to make it even better posture, you want your palms facing forward, okay? Because I'm going to show you again. Naturally your palms are facing the side, but if you open it up this way, it kind of pulls the shoulder blades together and puts you in good postural alignment to really open up the chest there. So again, drive the chin in, don't try to look up too high. You want basically imagine me standing upright like so. So don't look up like so. Just chin in, good posture, and then step forward as far as you can. Not too far forward. A good angle is good enough. And once you're done with this, in a minute, you should definitely feel lighter on your head, because then it's going to push or pull the head back. We're in proper alignment. Next exercise is like a wall lean, so overhead reach. So leaning against the wall, make sure the legs are off the wall, right? So it's only my pelvis that's all the way there, or my tailbone. And then you're just gonna have your elbows, your wrist, and the back of your hand trying to touch as much as you can on the wall. Just doing this alone is really hard, especially if you have a poor posture. Okay, so from there you're gonna reach up as high as you can, keeping it against the wall. Now, as you get higher, natural tendency is to go forward like so. Try to keep it, I'm obviously exaggerating, try to keep it back as far as you can, lifting up as high as you can. Super slow movements because this is a postural exercise. and then slowly lower arm back down, which is easier. Let's get a reset. So don't spend too much time in the easy part. Let's go back up. Woo-wee! How do you feel that? Oh, love that. And then back down, nice and slow. Challenge yourself, don't go too low, and then go back up again. Last stretch is basically a seated stretch, right? But we're gonna twist as far as you can. So nice twist here. Deep breaths. Let's maybe do 3 breaths here. See how you feel. So I'm trying to pull with my left arm, at the same time push with my right arm, twisting towards that side. After 3 deep breaths, you go to the other side, nice and slow. Ooh, I don't know if you heard that, the crack. Deep breaths, try to challenge yourself to twist even further. Don't push it too far though. Alright, then obviously do the other side again. So this is really good because for some people, when we're working, you tend to lean or hike one side and not the other. So this kind of resets by doing both sides. And then the other. Deep breaths. That's it.